this video, we continue the chapter 2. We will combine the 2.9 and 2.10. One is the public method in Python, and secondly is certain the operators within that. We hope there's not taking too much. Actually, for the public the methods, we already practice a lot during the past sub-chapters. This just using the table 2.2 to give you a list of the general or the often used functions and methods. I put all the names here, but for sure they are not all, but just you have practiced in the different type of the data. Majorities in the list can cover all or most of those methods or functions, and you can consider the tuple, the dictionary sets. They can be using the different set of those methods. So there's not much the practice you can do. Just use this table, or you can come to this list to give you some ideas when you try to manipulate or operate a certain type of the data. So, and then the next chapter called 2.8 is also quite the basic. So every type of the program language have this chapter in the early phases. It's just a different type of the operator. So that's normally starting from the mathematical operator, then have some logical comparison and assignment, and within Python we also have some membership, the operator and identity. So we don't need to go to detail because that is a very basic thing, so you can practice yourself. We can save time. Just as you hear is the for the mathematical this operator, we can just add here. So you may have plus, minus, times, multiply, and division. And also you have a double star. That means you have this power. So 2 double star 3 means 2 multiply themselves. So that is 8. And here is this integer division. So, and also here is the mode. So you get the result for those. So that is a mathematical words, the operator. And then the comparison. So normally we have the this is greater than, and we can put that is similar to this greater and equal, and we have this the equal. So whether it's not the assignment, it's the checking whether it's equal to compare, and then the smaller or less than, and the equal to, and then this is not equal. So you can see these four group, and some is similar, like those. So the result for that is give you a Boolean. So because you compare, they will give you true or false, whether or not. The only need to be cautioned is this the comparing whether two figure or two number is equal, or two data type is equal. You need to use a double equal sign, not this single. The single equal sign is used here. So that is the assignment. So that is the basic thing, but you can see this sample. You can do the continuous the assignment at the same time to multiple variable. So if you say A equals to B, equals to C, equals to 20, that means is you assign 20 to C, assign 20 to B. Actually, is you want to assign C to B because C is equal to 20, so 20 as a number is assigned to B. Similar is A. So they can be inherited from the right part of this assignment. And then the different part is that there is A plus, plus equal is this like this, a equal to a plus 5 can be a plus equal to 5. In C or C++ or in Java, you get also similar things. So you will also get like it's plus plus means if we say here a plus plus can be a equal to a plus 1. So that's the special for this plus equal. So same as you can use a different operator, mathematical operator together or before or equal sign. That means you have this simpler way to see a equal to a with a mathematical operator to another thing, number. So those are the same thing, even to this power or the integer dividend. So that's the same. Then let's continue for this logical. Logical is have and or not. So that's the three part. So you can see here is you just make this logic connection with two this operated the number or the operators things. So you can see first is you put this one res2 equal to a is less than a, and here is and is b greater or equal to 2 and 2 greater than b. So that means it's only all these three operations are both or all of them are true, then you get true. One of them are true or false, you will get false. So that is our the logical comparison table should be set in your mind. So you can check that easily from any kind of the programming book. So we will not give that too much talk. The in or not in will be very useful for our looping. So when you see is for x in range something, so that means is a is in ABC, so that is the true because ABC as a string is our list. So a is one of the element of this list. So you don't need to check a complicated statement. You just say a in ABC. They will give you the checking result. And D is not in the A, B, or C. So this element list, so you will get the false. But when I say D not in is true, is D in ABC will be false. So that is the thing is you can try to check yourself. The last thing is this identity. So how you can compare the identify two objects are exact the same. So what we will do is we will use this equal sign, a double equal sign. So print that. If we print them, so the value is one thing, and the address is the primary thing. So if we see A and B, they are using the same address, then we can see they are same object. But A equal to 2, B equal to 2. So let's test this one. Let me give her 2.10. So if A equal to 2, B equal to 2, print ID A, ID B. So you can see they are exact the same, the address. But if I put this b equal to 3, the address will be different. So if I put that equal to 3, they will use the same address. So then if I print is ID A, whether it's equal to ID B, I should get true. So that is the identity. So we use ID to get the memory or RAM address. Then we use this double equal sign to double check over that for whether they are the same. So let's see A, C. Let me comment this. So using that, we confirm A and B are same identity. So if I use our the character, so C, and we use this copy, and then print ID C, ID D. So you can see here, if I copy them, they will get the same address. So that but this is the light copy. So in this sample, they cite is a different address. So that is the strange. So I remember, so we need to import copy, right? Let me see. So now they are different. So if I don't input, this copy looks like it's a difference. So I'm not sure. So what's this copy coming from? But if without import, I got the different result for this sample. So it's better is you get this import to make sure is you are used the correct light copy. So now you can see here is the if I import, let me see. So double check, they are different address. Then if I print IDC, whether it's equal to IDD, I get false. So if I don't have this import, let me save. Oh, again, it's false. Let me save again. Oh, so even I see the 88 is the same. So let me see here. They are not. It's different. So let me double check. So no matter I use import or not, I get a different address. So that's the correct for this book. And then the is or is not. So we can use some kind of the shortcut or the keywords. So not double through this combination. Even you know how to do that. Is A equal to 2, B equal to 2. So print A is B. So that's the same to print IDA equal to IDB. So let's see. So we directly gave our true, and let's see, C equal to A. It's a list. And D equal to C dot copy. Print C is D. False. And when we copy C from the value is equal to b, but they are not in the same identity. So we use this way, we will get true. So true, true, false. So that is the pay attention you need to do is or is not is different to this double equal sign. So if I say C is not D, then I should get true. So that's the things we want to mention. So here, like the membership, we have in and not. Now we have our is and is not. So that is the part for this 2.9 and 2.10. Then we will have the last two sub-chapter for traverse and using traverse to get some further the results within this data structure. See you next time.